guys, to another After Effects tutorial. Today we're gonna create something like retro art style from 1990s. First thing, we're gonna import an image. Place it in our composition and adjust the position of it. Then duplicate the layer and search for something like threshold. Adjust it a little bit, something like this. Okay, then go to blend mode and set screen mode. Then decrease the opacity to something like 60 or 70. Then select the first image and search for mosaic. Increase the blocks amount to 90, for example. And press sharp colors. The same. Or you can increase the amount to something like 150. We don't see the mouth there, so we'll increase something like 70. Repeat the process until you get the right result you're searching for. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.